The car that defines the Indian road is the compact SUV. But before it was a segment, it was a single car. A car with South American roots, born in Brazil and redesigned to take over the world. It came, it saw, and conquered. But it also vanished. This is the story of the Ford EcoSport. Before 2013, the idea of a compact SUV didn't exist in India. Then, Ford played a masterstroke. They took the second generation global EcoSport and well-tailored it for the Indian sub-4 meter tax laws. How may you ask? By mounting the spare wheel on the tailgate as well as squeezing the body to exactly 3,999 millimeters, they saved a lot of money on tax as well as making it easily affordable. The result was a car that looks twice the amount it costs. With 30,000 bookings in just 17 days, India went absolutely wild for it. But it wasn't just for looks. It provided a genuine SUV experience with a commanding driving position and a whopping 200 millimeters of ground clearance. It was a true SUV for our challenging roads. The undisputed king. Under the hood, the EcoSport wasn't just offering choice, it was offering genius. The star, the 1-liter EcoBoost engine, a powerhouse so advanced it won the International Engine of the Year for 3 consecutive years. But Ford didn't just stop there, as they launched the 1.5-liter TI VCT petrol and for the highway warriors, the TDCi diesel engine. A torquey engine so good that it could literally pull all day long. The EcoSport reigned supreme for years together. It launched segment-first features like the Microsoft Sync that would let you use voice commands and life-saving emergency assist that would automatically pair to your phone and call emergency services while the airbags were deployed. Chassis is built with high strength and boron steel, the same stuff that's used in spacecraft, giving it the legendary built like a tank feel that no competitor could match. But the King's armor had chinks. While rivals learned from Ford's playbook, they decided to target its main weaknesses. They offered more rear seat space, a common complaint among most of the Ford EcoSport users. And the iconic side-swinging tailgate? While cool, it was definitely a nightmare among most of the users due to the tight Indian parking spots. An issue that was solved by most competitors by the classic top hinge tailgate. Ford's updates were too few and too late. While the EcoSport provided extreme driving dynamics, its rivals focused more on creative comforts such as sunroofs and ventilated seats, which made the EcoSport feel outdated. While its ruggedness and driver-focused nature being the one thing that makes it look unique, now became its Achilles heel in a market that was more driven towards features and comfort. Now, near the end of its run, Ford even launched an SE variant of this model, mimicking the global EcoSport, while it ditched the iconic spare wheel attached to the tailgate. Now, the EcoSport wasn't just a car, it was a statement. It taught India to dream bigger than just a hatchback. So now the next time you see a compact SUV on the road, remember the one that laid the foundation, the one that bent the rules to make a revolution. A car whose name that blended words such as economy and sport that perfectly describe its winning formula. The EcoSport will never be forgotten.